might be getting a Sonic collab?
Let me explain.
For June 2025, Frank hinted that there will be another collab coming in the game, and coincidentally, that is the same period of when Sonic has its anniversary, which is when they announce upcoming news and games. With Brawl Stars going strong on collabs, there is a very high chance of this one happening. Shout out to these guys for this amazing concept art. They came up with Shadow as a temporary brawler similar to Buzz Lightyear, with the best mastery title ever. They even made 2 insane skins, Sonic Max, which is so fitting, and Eggman Hank. I would pay 300 gems for this. Can this one actually happen?